I've been living in Poland for about 12 years now, but my knowledge of Polish is still fairly rudimentary. But that doesn't stop me from telling bad jokes that rely on a bit of a knowledge of Polish as well as English. So here, for those who never would have asked for it anyway, especially now, well, if they knew what was coming, here are 3 jokes that you need to know Polish and English to get. No guarantee that they're funny. I'm Christopher Walker, and this is Closely Observed World. So, joke number 1. Why are Polish notebooks the best? Because they are zeszyt. Joke number 2, if you're ready for it. Why is it no good using Polish translators? Because when they finish, you always have to pay tłumacz. And finally, joke number 3, if you can stand another one. Why is it that I take my children around town in a watermelon? Because that's just arbuz. Time for me to go and do some more Polish on Duolingo, I think.